Wow, look at the castle. It's so blue. Welcome to J Castle. Ito yung theme park sa Tanawan, Batangas. And dito yung last stop ng field trip ni na JD. The video was taken at around 7:40 p.m. and guess what? The theme park is only open sa website nila until 8 p.m. So we were very worried talaga if papapasukin pa kami dito, lalong-lalo na kaming mga parents kasi sobrang excited ng mga bata. Mabuti na lang talaga, we don't know how, pero mabuti na lang pinapasok pa rin kami by that time. And as you can see, kami lang talaga yung tao dito sa theme park that time. And parang arkilado namin yung buong lugar. Actually, it was like an exclusive tour for us. Sobrang smooth lang yung paglibot sa castle, walang pila at walang iniintay na matapos na ibang grupo. Kami lang talaga. The castle is sparkling. Yo! No pushing! Ay! 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 Careful, careful, careful. No splashing. Too much light. Dapat
What in the world? What in the world is she?